Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to access dating on Facebook. Now the first is you need make your day in your app. Before that you open your Facebook, make your day. If you have Android on or iPhone, doesn't matter, open your Play Store or App Store and make your day. And then you can open your app. In the corner can you see three lanes, okay? Touch here, and now my first option is dating, okay? But I used recently this function or this app here. But if you never open your dating, you don't see dating here. Can you see maybe here when you see pockets or pace, maybe you have dating here, okay? Find them here. Remember, you can touch see more or see less, okay? Now when you have your dating, touch here and make your profile. You need to know that this profile is different than your personal profile in your face, okay? It's different, okay? If you upload photos or make your description, the people in your profile, okay, your friends cannot see this profile, okay? If they find you in dating, they can see your profile. Now when you are here, you need to upload your photos or and make your description, answer a lot question, but quickly question. Example, your first name, age, gender, hometown, college, and then you need put what do you want today. Example, if you want know woman or if you want meet men, doesn't matter for me. Touch here and touch in next. How tall are you? Next. Do you have kids? No, I don't have kids. Next. What is your education level? And can you see in the down of my screen, the bar is past half, okay? It's too easy and quickly. When you are finished, you have an app ready for use. It's something like Tinder or Bumble. I don't know what is the most popular in USA, but it's something like that. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I know that is awful, but I just wanted to get more experience with me speaking. And see you later. Have a good day.